Hey everyone, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to use Claude AI for professional email writing in 2026. So if you want to write clear business emails, replies, or formal messages faster, this guide will help you do it step by step. First, open your browser and go to Claude AI. Then sign in to your account. Once you're inside the dashboard, you can start generating email content instantly. Now clearly define the purpose of your email. So mention if it's a job application, business inquiry, customer reply, or formal request. The clearer your goal, the better the email Claude will generate. One important step is setting the tone. You can ask for professional, polite, friendly, or formal tone depending on your situation. Now ask Claude to write the full email draft. It can generate subject lines, greetings, body content, and closing statements all in one go. If needed, you can refine the email. Ask Claude to make it more professional, shorter, more persuasive, or easier to understand. One powerful trick is creating reusable email templates. You can save prompts for job emails, customer replies, or meeting requests and reuse them anytime. And that's how to use Claude AI for professional email writing in 2026. Once you start using structured prompts and tone settings, writing emails becomes faster and much more polished. If this guide helped you out, feel free to check out more AI productivity tutorials and writing tips. Hey everyone, in this